Hey kids, let's draw something fun today. Oh no! The French fries are running away! A hand is chasing them. First, draw a big rectangle for the fries box. Make it a little wider at the top. Now, draw some fries sticking out on top. Just draw long, simple shapes. Easy and fun. Let's give our fries a face. Draw two big eyes. And a big open mouth. They look so scared. Add small arms and legs. Make them look like they are running fast. Sketch is done. Let's color. First, color the bottom part of the box yellow. Next, color the rest of the box red. Now, color the fries yellow. Color the tongue pink. And finally, use black to color inside the mouth. And the arms and legs. Great job! Your French fries look amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings.